Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your credit card account on Venmo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in venmo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Venmo website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. From there, simply type in your email address, your username or your phone number and tap on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your Venmo password. Type in your account password and click on the login button and you will successfully be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you can simply hover over to the pay icon and then click on the Venmo credit card option. And now you will directly be taken into your credit card page for Venmo. And from your credit card page, you can simply proceed with using your credit card in order to make various online payments. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.